Fire is for club video.
Welcome to Andrew's time.
Hello guys. Today I'm gonna unbox these two new toys. So listen to our own first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one should I open first? 1, 2, 3, let's go. I will open this right now. This is the new ambulance. So, open it. This is so hard. Here? Oh, it's here. Yes. Oh, that's loud. So, this is a doctor case with this. Oh, they're locked. So, actually, I have a new. They have glasses. It just fits me. Wow. Ooh, I look nice. Super this is good, right? Oh, they're upside down, I think. So weird though.
Oh no!
Look at the ears, they are fitting, I guess. How do they go actually? I forgot. Like this, I guess. So this, that's not this way now.
Oh no!
So for testing, I will take a patient. Oh, Peppa. The lips. The board. This is a software. I don't know what's this. So let's photo. So for hobby checkup, try 3, 2, 1. She's fine. Okay, so I actually don't know what is this. What is this actually? I forgot. I knew it was something like this, so is it a speaker? What is this actually? I don't know. Go one scissor and a second scissor. So for this, you have to use the second one.
Oh no!
Fire is for club video.
A few moments later.
Now let's open the second door. Peppa, will you please stay there? Okay. Now let's open the second box. Oh. Okay, then now let's open it. This is cool. Here's a plus, and it's blue, my favorite color. Here is pliers, and it's red color. Here is a wrench, and it's black and gray. Here is a scale, and it's red. Here is a wrench, and it's blue. Here is a saw, and it's blue. Here is a hammer, and it's black. Guys, I have one idea. I need some blocks to build these tools. Good thing I have a magic wand. Abracadabra. So much blocks. Now let me make a giant tower. With that, now let's take some blocks. Here we go. One block. Let's cut it now. Yes. That's easy. Cut the wood. Cut the wood. Cut.
Oh no!
It's not working actually, so using the hammer. So I will try to do something that I never tried before. No, not working. It's by me hook, and yeah, let's put some more blocks. So now let's put some more. Yay! 1, 2, no. I'm visual blocking. So now let's put some more blocks, and this is the last. Well, you finished.
Oh no!
So I don't have that much good blocks outside. I'm almost finished. 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm finished now. Do you like my house? If you like it. My house is finished, but I want some more. I have one more idea. With the help of my wand again, I will get 2 more houses. So, abracadabra! Wow, so much towers! Before I smash them, let me fix them. So now let's fix the table. Let's fix it. So time to destroy with my full hammer. Wow. I have the full power. Oh wow. Wow, that's a lot of things to build. Let me destroy your last tower. Hey, can you laugh at me? Stop it! This won't work, I think.
Oh no!
Here for myself and 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! Subscribe and like for more videos!